Hi, Asan nagay karon? Good afternoon, good noon everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. We are now here in the San Isidro. And we are now eating with the usa karon nagkikit gan. Ending. Tapos man.
Last day.
Unsa ganito? Unsa yung term gani yan ka? Nagkikit ka 10 days. Ending gani tapos. My God. It's very authentic. Later on, we will swim around the world here in the outside world. With the menu. Bago. Kani. Andito na po kami ngayon sa Sapa where is we swim along the road.
Yes.
And we have the common sense girls.
This is the part of Badam Sagpolon.
Yes. And this water is from the Sagpolon Falls, which is the very hydrant in our community.
So very iconic.
Yes, and now we are now experiencing the very rocky road river. But now it's raining and we're supposed to be travel the world. Oh my God. Yes, hi. You should hi.
Hi, welcome to the feet of the part of the battery circle right now, huh?
Yo.
Tabby apple.
So how is your experiencement?
It's so very dangerous, but I can manage my feet in the stone.
You move forward. Ayan guys.
Oh my God, I'm so totally disappeared.
Oh. So how far is this?
I think is 1 meters
1 meters
plus 10 meters
and
11 meters all.
it's additionaling.
Yes, there's a window for there.
Oh my God, the rocky road.
That's all.
How can we? And now we finally here in the place meant to be with the goggles. Oh my God, so very amazing here in our place to be. With the Clay Eugene, the very lagging.
Lagging.
Oh, how's your day there, Winnie the Pooh? Ngayon lang po kayo makakita ng Winnie the Pooh na lumalangoy, guys.
Hey, God!
Oh my God, it's a very amazing place.
Ang mascot, uy.
Mascot sa Jollibee? Ngayon na po kayo makakita ng Jollibee na lumalangoy, guys. Ayan. Oh my God. So how is yours? How is yours?
Nangatid din namin.
subscribe nyo na po siya, Megan Vlog. Also the Trinity Band by Juliet. Uy, you jump there. Try to jump there. Dudong, try to jump there. What's your experience swimming there? Great as? Great is white or? Oh. Ah, yes. Oh. Uy, pagkabalo, lagi ka anahasan. Cleo, bakit hindi ka nagsuot ng two-piece? Ayan guys, ngayon lang po kayo makakita ng butanding. Wow, ang macho naman ni Tiboy. Ang macho naman ni Tiboy, my God. Oh my God, so very, pak. Hala, Johnny Bravo. Wow, ang sexy naman, pak. Oh, mura kang si Tia. Kelly. No. Doon. Muna. Ito. Dili matong ka di ay. You can't. The carrot is high. You can't stomp up. Sa current. Kabalo ko sa current. Kung mag-ulan, mawala. Hi guys. And now here, they are swimming now, but I'm not alone. I am not against them. I am not there with them. Because it's a very, very coldness. And if you visit this place, so very relaxable because the water is so very cold. And you know what? You can relax there. I want to. It's very cold. Yeah. It's a very cold, so that I will not be swimming. After the scenes. Ayan guys, we're done swimming around our... And now, hala, sa kumagi. What? And now going back to the corner where I first saw you. Because it's too very late in the afternoon. And we need to go home. What can you say about your experience?
It's cold in the water.
So, would you like back?
During my day.
Would you like to go get back here?
I think so. Super cold with your feet.
Oh, your feet is frozen. Bye. Thank you for watching our nonsense video. Bye.